Hello Buddhist civil engineer. Today I am in front of you all just to share about how to generate seismic load and earthquake load in Staadpro. For Staadpro Series 6 we usually have to input value manually. Therefore I will prefer you all to use Staadpro Series 5 and Staadpro Connect edition as it can generate auto load under Indian IS code 1893 to 2016. So to know more about this, do watch till end here is goes first we have to directly go to the loading site, then definitions we have to click on the plus button nearby the definitions. Then after definition we will see the seismic definition as 1893 to 2016. We have to click on that plus sign. Then we have to go on the zone, we have to click. Then we will see different types of IS code and different standards, but we have to select the recent one on advanced one. We usually have Indian IS code 3 1983 and 1984 and also the 2002 2005, but we have to select 2016 Then we have to click on the generate button. So here we will see the zone factor, response reduction factors, important factors, types of soils, structure types and dumping ratio. So in here zones, our Bhutan's falls in 4 or 5 zones. We have to select accurate one where our residential or the buildings has to built, and also we have to check whether it's hard soil, soft soil or medium soil. Then we can generate So in term of series 6 we usually don't get the generate options, so we have to do manually calculations and manually we have to input the value. If you think that my channel is useful, do subscribe